To change the caption size to make it bigger or smaller in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference and then tap caption size and style. Tap text size and then select the desired size you like to use for the caption. There are 5 options available, from very small, small, normal, large, and very large. As the example, we will set the size to large. Now the caption will be displayed in the large text size. As a note, if you have set to enable the caption, this setting will be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.